All right, I'm going to quickly review how to use the Immersive Reader on Microsoft Teams. I'm just going to use the Civil War assignment for an example for those of you that are struggling at understanding any language in here. For example, maybe you're going to use this on an article or something else that is on Teams, but this is just the easiest example for me to use right now because there's not much on Teams since the school year just started. For the Immersive Reader, it's this little guy up here. You click it and it's going to look like this, and it can read it out loud to you.
D3 Civil War assignment number.
By clicking that. And if you don't want it to read it out loud in English, you can actually hit this and you can switch your language. There is different things that you can do. You can have it color code different types of speech if you're confused, if you need to know which ones are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. There's different things that you can do. You can make it bigger if you'd like, or smaller if you want. You can increase spacing, you can change the font or the colors to make it easier for you to read. There's just a lot of different tools in here that you can use. On here, what I think is most valuable is if you are a Spanish speaker, you can switch it to Spanish and it will translate for you. It's really easy. It's anytime you see this little book. And that's about it. So please let me know if you have questions on the Immersive Reader. It's there for you to help you understand the documents that are on Teams. So if you're ever opening a document and you see this little book, that means that you're able to translate it and utilize those tools that the Immersive Reader have.